How to instantly upgrade your style, no shopping required. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to instantly upgrade your style, without buying a single thing. That's right, no shopping, no spending. Just a few simple tweaks that will make a huge difference in how you look and feel. Let's get into it. 1. Grooming. First things first, your grooming. You can have the best outfit in the world, but if your grooming is off, it won't matter. Here's what to fix right now. Trim and shape your hair. Keep your hair neat and styled. Even if you're growing it out, clean up the edges. Facial hair check. If you have a beard, make sure it's lined up. Moisturize and hydrate. Dry skin makes you look tired. A little moisturizer goes a long way. Fresh breath. Don't forget oral hygiene. Floss, brush, and use mouthwash. When you take care of grooming, you automatically look more polished, even in a simple t-shirt. 2. Improve your posture. Next up, posture. This one is huge. The way you carry yourself can make you look instantly more stylish, more confident, and even taller. Stand up straight, avoid slouching, keep your shoulders back and chest slightly forward. Head position. Don't lean too far forward. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Walk with confidence. Take steady steps and avoid looking at the ground too much. Use your hands well. Don't keep them in your pockets all the time. Use them naturally when talking. Good posture makes any outfit look better. You'll look more in control, and people will take you more seriously. 3. Iron and maintain clothes. A well-ironed shirt can make you look instantly more stylish, even if it's just a basic one. Wrinkles kill the look of an outfit, no matter how expensive your clothes are. Iron or steam your clothes. Takes 5 minutes but makes a big difference. Fold or hang properly. Stop throwing clothes on a chair. Take care of them. Check for stains and loose threads. A quick fix makes your outfit look brand new. The key is to look clean and put together. Wrinkled clothes make you look lazy, but smooth, fresh clothes make you look sharp. 4. Master sleeve rolling. If you wear long-sleeve shirts, rolling up your sleeves the right way can instantly boost your style. Avoid loose rolls. Messy sleeve rolls can look sloppy. Use the J-Crew roll. Fold the sleeve once, then again, stopping at the elbow. Show some forearm. This makes you look more relaxed and stylish. A good sleeve roll can take a boring long-sleeve shirt and make it look effortlessly cool. 5. Accessorize smartly. The right accessories can level up any outfit instantly. You don't need a lot, just a few key pieces that match your vibe. Wear a watch. Makes you look classy and put together. Sunglasses upgrade. Find the right shape for your face. Belts and socks matter. A quality belt and some stylish socks can elevate your whole outfit. Accessories add detail to your look. Just keep it simple. Too much can be overwhelming. So there you have it. 5 easy ways to upgrade your style instantly, without spending a penny. Grooming, posture, ironing, rolling sleeves, and accessories. Small details that make a big difference. Let me know in the comments, what's one style upgrade you're going to try today? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more style tips. See you in the next one.